Beef. Is it a good thing for the industry?
Rap culture?
Yeah, for the culture. Is it a good thing?
For the rap culture, it is.
For you, when it comes to beef, is it personal again, or is it for just the culture? Because, for example, I was listening to The Game. He dropped a crazy freestyle like 3-4 days ago, and I'm sure you saw this. And one thing about The Game is he name drops. He's not subliminal. He doesn't mince words. And for us who grew up on Tupac, on Biggie, you know what we saw on Jay-Z, on Kanye West, they will come for you. The Game will come for you.
Yeah.
Is that what beef means to you in the culture?
Yeah, I mean, when I'm going all out with you, beef, I keep it. One thing is I keep it on the mic, one, and then when I'm coming for you, I'm coming for you.
So what makes you go for somebody
on the mic? When the thing is that we are all rappers here, and when somebody's throwing shots at you, you know, I definitely need a reason. I can't just stand up and go at you for no reason. But yeah, if you have it coming, if you fire at me, definitely I reload and fire back.
I saw you tweet today at Amerado. And you know, I was speaking to your manager and I spoke to you, like, it's gone to the point where, yeah, now no subliminals, names are being mentioned.
Because that's how I actually go about it.
What happened? What started this? Very briefly. Did you start it? Did he start it?
You know, I think,
are you guys friends behind the scenes?
I think,
seriously, are you guys friends?
I think a miscommunication happened, right? It all goes back to when I won my Trade Music, when he won the Trade Music Award, right? And then I did a song to the awards, actually, telling them that, okay, you guys know what? I feel like this particular award, I deserved it because you guys said this and this and this were the criteria, you understand, for it. And talking numbers and whatever, the song had it. Dynamics and everything.
So you're just making a statement?
And I made the statement, and I did...
Very boldly?
Very boldly. I even, you know, mentioned, shout out to Baba Sadiq, I respect him a lot, but I even mentioned his name, and made sure that I dissed nobody, kept it clean. I was like, I just made my point that, it's like going for a job interview. Why do you think you deserve this job? Oh, I think I deserve it because this. That was just it.
Okay.